Good afternoon. This is Emma. Come along with me as I shop at Tuesday morning. I want to welcome back the Design Family team. And if you're new, would you think about hitting that subscribe button and comment? They have a lot of the beads see here. I think that's going to be the thing for the fall. They have beautiful fall colors. I love these plants here. They have quite an assortment of the stands. Different types of planters. This is the discount section. I also noticed their trees. They really have some nice trees. Really like this one. 79. Then they have the palm trees, which are in the woven baskets. Lots of wood items. I think these are India inspired. And as I was saying, the beads in all colors. I'm also seeing a lot of the black decor, which I think is going to be a thing for the fall and winter. Nice boxes. That's a new look for the glasses. And here they have the glam items. Nice blues. Now I'm going to take you over to the Halloween section, which they have a large selection. also have all different types of throws. Lots and lots of Halloween. And I know some of you are big on Halloween, so Tuesday morning is where you want to stop at. Beautiful Halloween wreaths and pillows. Now you're getting into the fall wreaths. Have the welcome mats. They have quite a few mats. Hoping I've given you some ideas today on your fall decor. If you would, hit like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you in my next video.